ban penklan yi gikin thei hakathan. Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajilla ubadipet ya katnat ki kampo yeng polis iba prestun tingsong ila ong baka sorkar kalakut jingmut ban penbet no ya kamat kabalasa ateng laslem ban pen kenria no ya ki kamkloy ya laispa art sapo artli ki longyeng ka sweepers colony na themyo maulong. Habakren shigilat pathai khubor iba tingsong ila ong baka sorkar kaladap banyakren bat ki harijan Panchayat Committee HPC bat kinong yalam ki badai na Delhi Gurudwara Shapang Kajingalang kaban sapinlong hadin halor kani kamat.
Ideal as possible. In fact, that we have already communicated. We are yet to receive the date exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the president and the general secretary of the Gurudwara over there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time, so we are yet to receive, but we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.